Good morning, friends. Happy week 19 of school and last week of our first semester, which is kind of crazy. I know we've definitely had some ups and downs throughout the semester with changing learning models a lot. It's been a little bit tough, but you've all done a really awesome job, and I'm super proud of you. This week is more of a support week than anything, okay? So we are going to do missing work. And you're just going to fill out the Google form and tell me like what you're working on basically. And that's it for AVID, because I want to support you if you feel like you're behind or you have a couple things to get turned in before the semester ends, things like that. Okay, so Monday's really quick. Tuesday, also pretty quick, same type of thing, but we're doing a study form. Try to get that submitted. Again, that should be quick. It's just another support structure from AVID that you should be able to focus on some of your other classes with the semester coming to an end. Wednesday, we're going to do tutorials like always. So if you have any projects or any tests or anything like that at the very end, you can bring those questions there. If you want to just come up with your own question, it can be about current events or anything like that, and bring it to your tutorial, that's fine too. And then Thursday, we're just going to do a little bit of a reflection and set some goals for next semester. So that will be it for Thursday. And you are off Friday because of the semester ending, so kind of a nice short week for you. Please reach out and let me know if you need anything as far as passing your classes or any extra support that I can offer in AVID. Remember, I'm here to help. So I'll see you on Monday at our Google Meet.